Hi, I'm Jared Allen with your Crestone Sky Report. Merry Christmas, everyone. I wish you a safe, warm, and positive day. I hope Santa brought you everything you wished for. This year, my wish was to see Santa fly over the great Christmas star of 2020. So I put out a plate of cookies and milk to see if I could get him to come around. Let's see if it worked. First, let's take a look at yesterday's sunset to sunrise camera. You can see the crystal clear viewing conditions were ripe for a claws encounter of the third kind. I hope Santa has an extra warm jacket. A low of -1 degrees recorded at 5:54 a.m. Now to see if Santa took the bait, here's a look at my 360 Santa tracking camera. And wait, I think I see something. Yep, there he is, stopping by to send a friendly wave along his busy delivery route last night. Cold and mostly clear skies throughout the day, and there's still time to catch the Jupiter and Saturn dance on the western horizon from sunset to 7 p.m. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. I'm Jared Allen with your Crestone Energy Fair Sky Report.